My name is Joseph Amato. I work for Hernando County School District here in Florida. Being a small district and now having 23 school sites and only 11 field techs, we realized that we only have a tech on campus approximately 2 days a week. We did not want to interrupt learning, and we knew students where there would be breakage, loss, possibly forgotten laptops. And in order to create a process where we could immediately swap out laptops or give loaner laptops to students upon need, the FUYL Tower was an excellent solution. It allowed it to be a kiosk system where someone could help the student, put in their student name, and be able to get a new laptop right away without waiting for the tech to be on site. So there'd be no interruption of learning, no interruption of classroom time, no interruption of testing. I mean, it does everything we need it to do. We can track our laptops. It automates part of the process. The FUYL Tower is always there, always available, and I think the two teams work very well together. Before the towers, I would say my technicians were dedicating 60 to 70% of their man hours just to swap outs and dealing with one-to-one issues with the students. The FUYL Towers have significantly reduced that. They are mainly just loading the towers and dealing with one-off issues. The rest of the time is dedicated to making sure the rest of the technology in the school is working. All of our teachers have what they need and our students have what they need. It's made a major difference. I would say it's saving hundreds of man hours per week across the district. I would highly recommend any district, regardless of the size, to look at this solution. It is very easy to implement, integrates very well, interfaces with our SIS without problem. It's done everything we need. The towers are extremely reliable, easy to set up, and very easy to use. L21 integrates very well, and they're very responsive to our needs and our technical support issues. It's been an excellent experience.